If you want to charge your GoPro Hero 8 battery, then you have those batteries with the blue bottom on there. They have a little more capacity than the regular GoPro batteries. You can use the old dual charger they have. It's very easy to charge batteries in this one, and it frees up your camera so you can use your camera while you are charging a battery for it. That's how it looks like. Those things have been around for a while. It holds 2 batteries, has a yellow charging light there. It can also turn green when it's done charging. USB-C connection to it. An anti-slip rubber bottom on it so that it doesn't slip around. I used this one for years. It's very good, I have to say. That's the best thing about my GoPro, is this charger.